world, it's your Uncle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Niagara Falls, New York. This behind me is the Haunted House of Wax. It's an attraction that's been here for a long time. I've been wanting to do it forever. So I'm here with my buddy, the Toll Road. He's in the background. We're gonna go check out this haunted house for the first time. Let's go get some tickets and see what kind of trouble I can get into. Do come along. Scary. Now, if you have ever watched my video on the House of Frankenstein, I actually came here first that day to film here and it was closed and I ended up going to that haunted house. So here I am 2 years later returning to the scene of the crime to do it for real. And I got a friend with me. Toll from the Toll Road's here. We're gonna go haunted housing. Yikes! Can't wait! That's what you do when you're in a tourist area. You do tourist things. Let's go check out this haunted house.
It is like inside. It is like that. My grandkids. We're together. See all the guys.
All right.
I mean, and he's screaming, like screaming this terrible banshee scream.
Oh, he shoots sparks?
Yeah. But we can't do it. It would okay, we can't do this, and all of a sudden they're running out of there.
Right.
You know what I mean? So,
they don't want to go down in that, sure.
Yeah, so, and this goes right over your shoulders. That's my Uncle Pete.
All right, yeah.
And he'd be outside walking around with that on me. Everybody'd say, come in, and it was great, and then they'd all go running out. But there's still some cool things.
Yeah.
But
so still no refunds if we get scared?
No refunds.
No refunds, all right.
No refunds. But take your time, go in a couple times if you want. I know I had a guy from North Carolina the other day. He put it up on YouTube. He went through like 3 times.
Yeah.
But he taped everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going there.
We're
I mean, it's fun.
It's gonna go up on ours. Are gonna go up on YouTube too. So
good.
It'll cool. Yeah. All right. We're going in.
This is already too scary. Batman at rest.
He got me. Awesome. I like the lighting on this. Jason, you're not. It's like we got Batman at rest here. I'm waiting for a jump scare. God, that was behind me and I jumped. Okay, there are things clicking here. I'm so scared of the jump scares. Alien Autopsy. The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Alright, I'm always waiting for the jump scare. What is that? Oh my god! Okay, so there are jump scares in here. I'm scared.
You won't get scared. Nothing
I'm
to
scared.
worry about.
I'm scared? What's it doing? It's doing something. Okay. It's doing something. That's not too terrible.
Oh, that's not bad.
No. There's a casket here, and I know there's going to be something happening, so I'm staying as far as I can away. There it is! Lots of jump scares. Jesus! All right, here we go. Another jump scare. Here we go. Okay. I'm scared to walk past it. Okay, so I've gotten 4 jump scares so far. We're doing okay here. All right, I sense. Ah.
All right, hate anybody taller and skinnier than me.
All right, does this guy do something? All right. We got a dinosaur. I'm scared. Which way do I go here?
This is just the opposite. There's nothing to be scary here.
Oh, it goes up. There's more. Why do I think this guy's gonna jump out at me or this guy's gonna get me? Scared. Scared. This guy's hanging around.
No tongue, no eyes, no.
Ooh, spooky. So, oh my gosh, there's a... spider. It scared me. I'm so susceptible to jump scares. It's pathetic. This is the kind of place somebody like me likes to go. Ah! That's twice now he's done that. Mommy. Mommy. All right, what's going on here? It kind of looks like Riff Raff from. Yeah. Monique and Boris will wait on you. Oh, this is what he was telling us about the.
Oh, he got guillotined and he's still complaining about it.
Yeah. All right, here's your electric chair, guy. Metal concerts in the mosh pit where this goes on. The meat comes off the bone in the cauldron. Okay. Jump scare. What do we got here? That's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. I've been wanting to come here for so long, we finally did. So, Tolle, get in here. What were your thoughts?
I thought it rocked.
I thought it was pretty cool. It was actually pretty cool. If you're in the area, come check it out because I had quite a few jump scares in there. It's worth it.
I got him a couple times myself.
He got me a couple of times in. And what the owner was saying too is that if you come in the Halloween time, they turn on all the effects and it's supposed to be even scarier. And if it's scarier than it was, I think I'd have a heart attack. So till next time, I'm going to sign off now from Niagara Falls, New York. Bye-bye. And that's how you do an outro. Can you trip it? Should we scream like a bunch of idiots?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Ready?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Now it won't trip. Come on, Mommy, we're wasting tape here. Mommy. All right.